Students, it's good to be with you in class once again. I am Mr. Sayende Dixon, your mathematics teacher. Today we're going to be looking at the topic profit and loss. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain when a profit is made as well as when a loss is made. You should be able to calculate also profit and loss. But before we go into this topic proper, we want to take a review of the previous class that we had. And the topic then was discount buying. In that lesson, we learned that discounts means a reduction in price and that it is usually given for bulk buying or for cash payment. At that time also, we had a class work, and today we want to look at the correction to the class work. In that class work, number one, cost price was given as 24,000 naira and discount as 2.5%. And this means the discount is 2.5% of 24,000 naira. If we change 2.5%, 2.5 to improper fraction, that gives us 5 all over 200 times 24,000. Now, here 2 zeros, we cancel out, and then 2 will go into 2, 1, 2 will go into 240, 120. So we are left with 5 times 120 naira, which is equal to 600 naira. This is the discount. Then the discount price, remember, is cost price minus the discount. So this will give us 24,000 naira minus 600 naira to give us a discount price of 23,400 naira. Number two, we're giving cost price as 58,750 naira. Then the discount as 3%. And so this means 3% of 58,750 naira. This we get as 3 over 100 times 58,750 naira. Here, 1 0 cancels 1 0. And then 5 will go into 10, 2. And 5 will go into 5,875. Will give us 1,175. So we have 3 times 1,175 divided by 2. This will translate to 3,525 divided by 2, which gives us a discount of 1,762.50. Discount price then is equal to 58,750 naira minus 1,762.5 naira, which gives us a discount of 56,987.5 naira. So that was the correction to the class work that was given in the previous class. So we come to today's lesson proper, which is profit and loss. Now, you might ask, why study or why learn profit and loss? Well, this topic is of interest to majority of people, even the ordinary market woman, the tradesmen, service providers, and even the big organizations. They are interested in profit and loss. They should be able to calculate their profit and loss in order for them to know the direction of their business. And so you too can one day be in a position to make that decision, and that is why it's important that you know how to calculate your profits and the loss. Now, before we go on, we want to take to heart the following points. We want to know the following points. 1, a profit is made when the selling price is greater than the cost price. 2, a loss is made when the selling price is less than the cost price. Then 3, the actual profit is given as selling price minus cost price. And so this brings selling price to cost price plus profit. And we also have profit percent, and this is giving us profit over cost price times 100. The actual loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, and selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. We also have loss percent giving us loss over cost price times 100 over 1. Now, to further explain these points, we want to take some examples. Example 1, the question reads, find A, the actual profit, B, the selling price of an article which cost 4,000 naira and sold at a profit of 20%. A solution here, we write out the values that are given to us. Cost price is giving us 4,000 naira. The profit is giving us 20%, and this would therefore mean 20% of 4,000 naira, which will come to 2 over 100 times 4,000 naira. And this brings us to 20 times 40 naira, which is 800 naira as our profit. Remember that selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. And so to answer the B part, we have that selling price is equal to 4,000 naira plus 800 naira. This gives us a selling price of 4,800 naira. We go to a second example. Example 2, this reads as, a woman buys a car for 350,000 naira and sold it for 300,000 naira. Calculate her loss percent. So in this example, we are looking for loss. So we take the solution. The parts cost price is equal to 350,000 naira. Selling price is 300,000 naira. And so we have our loss as cost price minus selling price. This brings us 350,000 naira minus 300 naira to give a loss of 50,000 naira. Then the loss percent is equal to 50,000 naira over 350,000 naira times 100 over 1. And then if we cancel out the zeros, that brings us to 500 all over 35. Now 5 will go into 500, 100, and 5 will go into 35, 7. So we have 100 over 7 to give us the answer as 14 whole number, 2 over 7%. So loss percent is equal to 14 whole number, 2 all over 7. So those are examples that we can take. Now, here we have a classwork that we are supposed to find answers to. Please turn in your answer during the duration of this class. As the question reads 1, an article which cost 300 naira was sold for 345 naira. Find the actual, B, the percentage profit. Please do this classwork within the period of this lesson and send in your answers into the notes and question boxes. Again, remember to attempt your quiz for week 1 and always turn in your assignment and quiz also through the portal. Thank you and God bless.